Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 7, exercise 8.2, chapter 8, comparing quantities. Now in question number 7, in a city 30% are females, 40% are males and remaining are children. What percent are children? Now you know percent means out of 100. Say the number of when they have done the survey, it is out of 100 they have done, then out of 100 uh, 30 females are there, 40 males are there and the remaining are children. So percentage of children, total percent of males and females. Solution: total percentage of male and female males and females are 40% plus 30%, that is 70%. Therefore percentage of children is equal to, out of 170 are males and females, the remaining are children, that is 30%. Understood? 40% and 30%, total 70% in total males and females, the remaining must be children. So percentage of children 30%. Question number 8. Out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. That means 60%. Out of 100, 60 are voted. That means out of 100, 100 minus 60, that is 40% did not voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. So we have to find that one. Next part, can you find how many actually did not vote? Yes, we will. We can find afterwards. First, total number of voters. $15,000. Voted 60%. Therefore, not voted 100 minus 60%, that is 40%. So 40% voters did not voted. Now can you find actually how many actually did not voted? That means actually number of voters who did not voted. You have to find the 40% of 15,000. Therefore number of voters who did not vote is 40% of 15,000. 15,000 is the total number of voters in that constituency. So 40%, 40 by 100%, to remove the percent sign, it will be out of 140 of 15,000. Cancel it. Multiply. 4 15 just 60 and 1 2, 6,000. So how many number of voters who did not vote? It is 6,000. Okay. Now question number 9. Mita saves rupees 4,000 from her salary. If Mita saves 4,000 from her salary, if this is 10% of her salary, then what is her salary? You can relate this sum The whole quantity is missing. Find out the whole quantity. 10% of which number is 4000? Understood? Question number, I think it is question number 6 or 5 from your book. Mita saves 4000 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, that means what is her total salary? It is missing. Now you have to take a variable for her salary. Solution: let her salary be rupees X. This is missing. You have to find it. Therefore, according to the question, therefore 10% of her salary, that means 10% of X, which is equal to 4000. Now you have to find the value of X for her salary. And the same sum you have done in question number 5 and 6. So 10%, 10 by 100 of X is equal to 4000, which is X by 10 is equal to 4000. Therefore, X is equal to 4000 into 10 is equal to 40. X is equal to 40,000. Therefore, her salary is rupees 40,000. Understood? Now come to the next sum. Question number 10. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? So total number of matches played 20. 25% of 20 you have to find out. Directly you can find it. Solution: total number of matches played 20. Therefore 25% of 20 equal to 25 by 100. 25% of 20, 25 by 100 into 20, cancel it. 5s are 2, 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So 5 matches, 25% of 20 matches, that means 5 matches. How many matches did they win? Therefore they won 5 matches. Okay. So I hope the sums are easy for you. Need to practice. Thank you, students.